Hi CCU, this is Reverend Maggie Alderman. This Sunday we are honoring the power of love. It is true that it is also Super Bowl Sunday, so we want to encourage you to bring your friends and family for Bring a Friend to Church Sunday. And we're going to be talking about how love is always the answer. It's true, no matter what question that you have in mind, love is always the answer. Being that we're a community founded in love and how much we love each other and we strengthen our heart connection, I know this is a Sunday that you'll want to be with us. And I promise we will get you out in time for not only kickoff, but for all of the tailgating activities that lead up to the big moment. So we'll see you this Sunday.